Alright, so I'm Jake Leventhal. It's my cousin Adam. He's filming, and he's my cousin, so show the camera at yourself, Adam. So yeah, Adam's going to be messing up my Rubik's Cube. And so this is Rubik's Cube, one hand. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to time myself this time, since I have nobody else to time me, and I have a free hand. So just like this. Look, ready? This is how it's going to work. So yeah. So, Adam, mess this up. Put my phone. I'll take the camera. So, mess that up for me. Just so you know, I'm not looking while he's messing this up, because, see, look, looking away. It's kind of not fair if I just watch him every move. So just tell me when you're done.
How many? Do you want me to keep doing it a few more times?
Until you think it's completely messed up.
Alright. I'll do a few more twists and turns.
Alright.
Catch you off guard, perhaps. Okay, I think we're good to go.
Alright. There's the camera back. Alright, so I'm going to look at this. Let's see. Where do I want to start? Okay. I think I've got it. Let me just get to my timer here. It's just a little bit hard just because I'm holding the phone with my left hand, so if I drop it, I'm going to be sitting down and it'll fall on the bench. We're all good. So, ready? Set. Go. Oops, go. There we go. Okay, so yeah, it's kind of hard to do the timer in one hand, but it's funny. I like it. It's new, interesting thing. My cousin Adam now.
How you doing?
He likes that.
Thanks for asking.
And he likes to make me laugh. It's a funny guy.
Take a piece and pass it on. Fly away on my cell phone.
Okay, so yeah, I'm just gonna finish this.
Perfect weather. We'll find a place together.
The true test will be to see if you can do the face while you're simultaneously solving the Rubik's Cube.
Let me try.
Success.
The face.
Super friendly aviator. Take a look, it's on display for you. Coming down, not today.
I have to finish. I have to itch my head.
Fly away on my cell phone. I feel it more than ever. And in this perfect weather, we'll find a place
Just so you know, this is really old, but it's good cube. But older cubes usually work better. We like six cubes.
Is this cube going to accompany you to your journey?
Of course. I bring it everywhere I go. Even basketball camp.
You didn't bring it to Solar Shabbos.
That's my car.
Okay.
I bring it everywhere, Adam. If I don't bring it somewhere, I cry. Yeah.
I was shocked when you came into Soul without the cube.
Seriously? I'm sorry. My itch went away. Come back, itch. It makes me go faster.
Celebrating our grandparents' 64th wedding anniversary.
At this restaurant called San Lorenzo, it's really good. You guys should come here. Although
if you're like me, you'll have to bring your own meal
Itchy head.
What do you mean you stopped it?
Accidentally like 5 seconds.
Okay, so we're going to add 5 seconds to the total time.
Twist! Done. Oh! 3 minutes, 26 seconds. That's a terrible stop. Now, the face.
You are the champion.
Yeah. One-handed, other hand, timing it.